Hi everyone, we are at Las Vegas, InfoComm 2026. My name is Stéphane Tremblay. Today I want to show you a cool product, a cool technology that is developed by Semtech. It's called UEX. UEX stands for USB extension, but it's USB extension and USB over IP. So behind my back, I have a demo of a Jabra camera that is very high bandwidth. In fact, this camera has 3 1080p sensor. And as you can see, the image coming out of the camera is transported by the UEX platform. So everything works well. We are at full frame rate, no image degradation because the UEX solution has plenty of bandwidth. But we also have competitor product to show the difference in performance. So give me 1 second, I will change from our solutions to the competition. There you go. Now the competitor product is not broken, it's just that it doesn't have enough bandwidth, and I will prove it to you by reducing the resolution, let's say for 720. And now we can see that when the resolution is reduced, there's sufficient bandwidth for the competitors to catch up. So please visit us at www.semtech.com to get more information on UEX1000. Thank you.